What's up guys, welcome back to the Detail Garage. So we're wrapping up the detail on this Subaru. The last step for us is we're going to polish it just so it's ready for like the next step, which is glaze, wax, or sealants. I'll be using a TORQ 22D because this car has got a lot of flat surfaces. An orange cutting pad, this is going to help me cut through those scratch and swirls. Since we're on kind of a tight deadline, we want to do an all-in-one polish. We'll be using VSS. After we clayed this car, we noticed that the car has a lot of swirls, scratches, spiderweb effect, whatever you call it. And we want to get rid of that using an all-in-one polish. And I've got my buddy Jerry here to help me get this car done as fast as we can. We're just going to get started, get on it, and we'll see you in a bit. For those of you who are new to polishing, what I've done here is I've got my orange pad. I set the VSS up with 5 drops because I'm only going to be doing a small section at a time, so I don't want to use a whole lot up. And also I prep the pad using pad conditioner. The reason for this is because you don't want to put a dry pad on the paint. This is going to help reduce friction, which also reduces marring and micro scratching. So to start off, I've got my machine ready here, and I'll blotch it out in about a 2-foot square. And then I'll turn the machine on to speed setting 1 just so I can spread the product out. And then I'll bump it up to speed setting 6, and this is how I'll actually be cutting through the paint. Once you've given the VSS sufficient time to actually break down and do its job, you want to take a clean microfiber towel and just buff up any excess. And just from the first pass, we can tell that it's doing its job. It's taking care of most of the scratch and swirls. Of course, there's going to be some deeper ones that would need a whole 100% paint correction. But for the owner's needs, the all-in-one polish is going to be great. You may notice that I have the V36 and the V38 up there. I was going to do a whole 2-step polish, but the owner requested this car be done in less than an hour, so we're just going to hit it with the VSS and finish it off. So after we finished polishing, we wanted to put on some type of protection, so we went for blacklight. So blacklight is a glaze that fills in micro scratch and swirls. It also adds depth to this paint job. Considering this has a lot of metallic, it's also going to make that really pop. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to check out our other videos on chemicalglass.com if you want to learn how to do glazes, polishes, waxes, sealants. We're going to finish buffing this off. We'll see you guys next time.